late afternoon continues as we continue going through the first weekend of June. It is June 6th, 2026, and he's here. 1609. So I'm coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again with another video lined up for you. Another northbound on the way, following behind the B791 that I see in 3353. Tier 4 to lead it, and this is 3249 with the O489. Let's check one on the roll bys. We'll lean back and get him. Here we go. Today's O489 of the 6th. Do it for the ballast loads of the O489, 81 of the 6th. And we'll do for the 3249 and the 8331. We'll do for this video of Ladysmith, Wisconsin on this fine afternoon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. See you next time. Bye. We'll see you along the main line. See you and peace out.